what we have right here is we're going to be solving for more logarithmic expressions. And what we have is I'm going to solve for the variable. And example number one, what we have here is we want to first solve this log. In order to do that, we have to get the log all by itself. Now, in this case, you notice that the log is all by itself. So what we have to do is do the inverse property. The inverse property of a log is creating an exponential. So to do the exponential, we're actually going to take each side and make the exponent of the base. In this case, we need 7. We have log base 7 of negative x minus 4. And whenever you do the other side, you do the other. So we're going to have equals 7 squared. In doing so, we can now use the inverse property. These two will cancel out because the function equals inverse equals the value inside. So we have this. And right here, we're going to have is 49. From now on, we're going to now just do our simple algebra. We're going to add 4 to both sides. Add 4, we have 3. And then we're going to divide by the negative, and we have negative 53. That's our answer. Test this out, just make sure we did it right. Plug it back in there. It does turn out to be a valuable answer. So this is how you solve that logarithm. Nothing to it, right? Let's try another one. This one is a little bit more intimidating. You have a square root inside a log. You have the ln. Ln we know is a base of e because that's a natural log. So once again, we know that we see that the log is all by itself, nothing else around it. So we're going to e both sides. E, all right, e both sides. All right, with the square root of x minus 8, that equals e to the 5th. From here, these cancel out. With the square root of x minus 8 equals e to the 5th. From here now, what we're going to do is we're going to square both sides. We're going to get rid of the square root. So we're going to square this one. We have x minus 8, and that's going to equal e to the 5th. We're going to multiply our exponents then, which will be e to the 10th. And we have x e to the 10th plus 8. And we can do that. If you wanted to use your calculator, you can find out what is e to the 10th plus 8. So if you take that out, you can go over here and clear this. All right, we have e to the 10th, let's write the next log, 10th plus, you should put it down, plus 8. And we press enter, and we get 22,034.465. So put that right over here. All right, 22,000. 22,004 point. Oops, hello. Bring that up a little bit more. 0.466. All right, and there we have our answer. All right. Well, I hope this helps you out and how to solve some various log problems. Key thing is we want to use the inverse operation to solve them. Whenever you have a log, get the log by itself. Raise it to the base so you can use the inverse properties of logarithms and exponents, and make sure whatever you do to one side, you do the other, and then just do your algebra to solve. So, hope this helps out. Good luck and God bless in the rest of the problem.